Hello guys, today I will just go here fast forward on these two controllers because they have basically the same issue of previous controllers that we already had have a video on it, so I'm just doing this video as an update. So these two actually has the same issue as the previous video, so you can see here I will link the video here in the description and here in the screen as well. And here the issue as well, it was the potentiometers that they were dirty. Basically I just disassemble, clean these potentiometers with the fiberglass pen. That actually I will put a link here in the description as well for it. And that was the issue. You can see as well here that it just has some drifts. One controller and the other controller, they have a little bit of drifts, not much. At least the second controller doesn't have much drift, but I decided to open to clean everything, and that was it. So I did clean as I did before. Use the fiberglass pen, clean the potentiometers, the metal that was rusted, and you can see here in the with testing that everything seems okay. There is no more drift or these or the bars going a little bit up and down, just a little faint, but they are not doing this anymore. So I did play some games. I didn't have any issues. I didn't feel any drift or anything like that. So probably that this was the issue with the controllers. I already did put them for sale, and I sold each one for 25 euros. So in total 50 euros. Actually, it was a good profit as well. I have a video where I unboxed these controllers, and I think it was not only the controllers. I think it was some more stuff. But in the end, some quick fix for these two. And that was it. I have plenty of more controllers to fix. If you want to follow those, please subscribe, and you will be able to see probably different issues than these ones, because it's not always these issues. So thanks again for looking into this video. Please like and subscribe, it will help a lot, and see you in the next one.